In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to find draft videos on YouTube. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app. And then, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to record a quick little video. Let's save it as a draft. To do that, tap on the X button at the top left. Then tap and select Save as Draft. That video is now saved as a draft. So, let me show you how to find it. Tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. And then, go over to the Shorts tab. Now, at the bottom right, you'll see the Drafts option. Simply tap on it. Now, you'll be able to see all of the draft videos on YouTube. You can tap and select any of these videos to continue working on them. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.